Hey, tech enthusiasts, get ready to be amazed by the upcoming vivo V40e. Today I'm diving into some leaked specs and renders that have surfaced online ahead of its official launch. Trust me, this device is not just another smartphone. First off, let's talk about the display. The vivo V40e is going to feature an incredibly bright screen, hitting a peak brightness of 4,500 nits. That's right, 4,500 nits. Whether you're out in the blazing sun or in a dimly lit room, you're going to see everything crystal clear. And check this out, it's also going to be the slimmest phone on the Indian market. But don't let that fool you. The slim profile doesn't mean a compromise on battery life. This bad boy packs a hefty 5,500 mAh battery and supports 80W fast charging. That means less time plugged in and more time in your hands. Now let's dive into the performance. Rumor has it the V40e will be powered by the Dimensity 7300 SoC, coupled with at least 8 GB of RAM. So, expect smooth multitasking and snappy performance, whether you're gaming or juggling multiple apps. On the design front, the leaked renders show a gorgeous curved display and a sleek back design, similar to its V40 siblings. One of the color options we can expect is a stunning royal bronze. This phone is definitely going to turn heads. So, when's it dropping? Word on the street is the vivo V40e will make its debut in India by the end of September. If you're in the market for a new phone, this one should definitely be on your radar. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Catch you in the next one.